Okay, guys, so another example. Let's try to fix this basic building and with multiple ridges. So if we have one, two, three ridges. So for this one, I think one layer should be good enough. So let's capture the base first. So again, when capturing the base, use E or F. If it's a rectangle or parallel, you can use E. But if it has edges or curves, use F tool. Okay. So for this one, we need to make an imaginary ridge again. Sorry, an imaginary square for our panels. So, so make sure that the base is correct. Let's check other views. Okay. So I think this should be good enough. So with the edge here, we will make an imaginary square or rectangle using our assist line. So like so. And then capture the ridge. Hmm. Yeah, that should be good enough. So let's draw our panels using S tool, letter S. And no need to rush when drawing your panels, okay? Okay, so we are done with this part. So let's uh, let's draw this area. So, hmm. So for this one, I think we need to connect to here. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is one panel only. So I think this is one panel only. So if it is one panel, we can connect here. So let's try. So let's check other views. I'm not quite sure if it is one panel only. Let's try this one. Yeah, I think it is one panel only. So, but our assist line is a bit short. So let's try. Before. Okay. So for this one, uh, we need to extend our assist line also to here. Okay, and then let's lock. And we can merge this later, and we can fix this later using AutoFix tool. And for this one, so it is here. I think it's connected to here. So again, we can connect our assist lines. So make sure it highlights first. If it highlights, meaning it's connected. So yeah. So this is one of our basic buildings. And let's try to do auto fix. So you do not need to highlight everything in order to group. Just select one panel, press 4, and then press F4 to use the auto fix function. Yeah, so yeah, looks great. Let's remove the excess assist lines and let's capture this secondary panels, secondary attachments. So for this one, since it has walls, so I'm sorry, it has pillars below, no walls, it should be secondary independent. So for this one, we will use the um, assist line technique. So let's draw an assist line here first, and then we will capture this one. needs to be straight, and adjustment on the left side. So let's see. I think this will do. And let's try to draw. You can do, okay. So let's check if it has a slope. Okay, so if it's blue, it has a slope. If it's orange, then it's flat. So make sure like this is flat. So for this one, and also this is wrong. It has too many panels. So for this one, you only need 4 panels. This one has around, I think 8. So it's too many. This one. So let's fix this one. Let's change or look for other views. Okay, so let's connect using our assist line. And assist line here. And so let's do the matching process. Just drag and let's see if it has yeah, I think it has a slope. So since I see pillars below, we will tag this as secondary independent. And yeah, so we are done. And lastly, let's draw the corners. And I group, and then let's check for our final result. So take note guys, this is not a chimney. So as you can see, it has a ventilation fan. So this is not a chimney. Normally chimney don't have fans on them. Okay, so let's Alt R and see the final result. 3D mode. So this is our building. Okay, so it has, hmm, it's flat. What happened? So we need to draw this again since it's flat. So 9 and then 9. So again, most of our what do you call this? Extensions or attachments, they have a slope on them. Let's see. So let's draw. Add a dot like so, and change to secondary independent. So adjustment, and we are done. I think it's better to connect. Okay, let's connect. Let's just connect this part of the extension. Okay, yeah. So again, let's do a final. Okay, so let's group Alt R. And this is our final result, and we are done. So hope this helps. Thanks.